The little imp who once owned this Corgi Hillman Imp really liked rally cars and tried to convert this classic British family car into a mean racing beast. It was fun as long as it lasted, but I'm here to give it back its original looks. Hi everyone, I'm Johan and this is Belgian Diecast Restorations, your place for diecast factory resets and makeovers.
Welcome to Belgian Diecast Restorations.
Corgi Toys introduced the Hillman Imp in 1963 in two versions, a metallic bronze version with a cream interior and a dark metallic blue version sporting a yellow interior. Like most Corgi models of that era, it came with some extra play value. The rear trunk window could be opened, and when you push down on the rear wheels, you could lower the rear seat for extra trunk space. The seat could be raised again by pushing down in the opposite direction. And the car also came with a suitcase to put in the trunk. The Imp lasted for only 3 years and was discontinued in 1966. The Hillman Imp was a British economy car, introduced in 1963, the same year as the Corgi model. It was developed and manufactured by the Roots Group and from 1967 on by Chrysler Europe, until it was discontinued in 1976. The Imp was one of the many economy car models that were developed as a result of the 1956 Suez oil crisis, when the demand for smaller, lighter and more fuel-efficient cars rose. The Imp even had a modest rally career with a special rally version that was introduced in 1964 and had a more powerful engine. The rally career of the Hillman Imp was probably what inspired its previous little owner to turn this model into a rally car. Sadly, the windows are completely caked in glue in the process. On top of that, the car lost its rear window and rear tires, although I think the front tires are not original either. I don't have the exact replacement tires for this model, but I think I have something very close, and I'm itching to use that mica blue again. So let's get out the tools and give this model a factory reset. The Hillman Imp was a peculiar British economy car that also had a rally career. This probably inspired the child who owned this model to turn it into a sports car. Sadly, the window was completely caked in glue in the process and the car lost all of its features and details under thick layers of paint. The original Corgi tyres are long gone, only 2 Matchbox tyres were recycled for the front wheels. I don't miss an opportunity to use Tamiya's mica blue on a model, and Corgi's Hillman Imp was produced in a dark metallic blue that was very close. I tried to get the glue off the window and of a spare window, but to no avail, so I had to use a third-party window which is of a thicker plastic and a bit misty. I also replaced the rear window and gave the car 4 new tyres, which are a bit loose, so I might revisit the model when I find fitting tyres and a better original window. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, as this helps my videos to climb up in YouTube's algorithm. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.
Belgian Diecast Restorations.